Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on any life-changing content. Today, we're diving into a topic that touches people's lives in really profound ways. Network marketing. Yeah, hold on. I can already feel the mixed opinions coming through the screen. But let's talk about this because some people get into network marketing out of inspiration, while others join out of desperation. So let's start with inspiration. That electric feeling when you're so motivated, you feel you can conquer the world. People who join network marketing out of inspiration often have dreams so big they can't fit into the 9-to-5 lifestyle. They're the visionaries, the go-getters, the ones who read the success stories and think, why not me? And then there's the other side of that coin, desperation. Maybe you've been there. You've got to pay the bills, put food on the table, or you're just tired of being stuck. Desperation can feel like a pit. But guess what? Even from the bottom of a pit, the only way to always look is up. Now, the game changer here is both inspiration and desperation can fuel your journey to success. That's right. Whether you're drawn to the allure of freedom or driven by a need to improve your current situation, your why can propel you forward like a rocket. So what's next? Action, my friends. All the inspiration or desperation in the world won't amount to a hill of beans if you don't take action. Now listen up. This is a part that changes people's lives. The experts say taking consistent action is what separates the winners from the losers. As we wrap up, I have a challenge for you. Go out today and take one action towards your goals. Just one. Because one action can set off a chain reaction of success. Thank you for spending some time with me today. If this message resonates with you, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with someone who needs to hear it, and drop a comment below. Let me know what action you're taking today. Remember, you're just one decision away from a totally different life. Let's make that decision together. See you in the next video.